Hello, handbag lovers. I am here with a Macy's unboxing as well as a suggestion on some affordable options to some of the high-end designer bags, as well as a try-on of some bag chains to some bags that I already have in my collection. So if that is of interest to you, please keep on watching. Okay, to start, let's start with the Macy's unboxings. I have 3 here, and I'll start with this box first. I got these during the recent Macy's sale, which Macy's have sales often. So I would say probably a sale that happened maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago. I saw this and so many things ran through my mind that I thought I have to have it just to see what it looks like. So as you can see, this is a handbag made specifically for Macy's, and it's from International Concepts. And the name of the bag is the KJ Clutch. This particular bag is in the color Mandarin with gold. So obviously the color is just gorgeous. I was very attracted to the style of the bag. I think they refer to these types of bags as cloud bags, so I've seen them before. The most impressive thing, like I said, I did get this during a recent Macy's sale, was that this bag was on sale for $31.27. Let me just go over this bag with you just to give you some more information. So the bag is considered medium in size, but it's 14 inches in width. It's 7 inches in height, and it's 3 inches in diameter. The bag has a magnetic frame closure, and let me just take some of this out. A magnetic framed closure, so it does snap closed like that. As you can see, this one has gold hardware. It has a 24-inch removable and adjustable strap. So you can wear this bag crossbody, or you can remove the strap and you can just wear it as a clutch. This bag also has what they refer to as chain swag, which I thought was an interesting name for it. But the chain swag, if you will, is also removable. So, you know what that means. You could wear your chain swag on other bags if you so choose. So let me see if I can get this off. So this chain swag is in gold. In the interior of this bag, it has a interior pocket, and it's collared in faux leather, but it's still the same Mandarin color, which is just gorgeous. So the pocket does go down to the bottom of the bag. Look, it has something on there. So you could probably fit quite a bit in this bag. And my thought is, how cute will this be as a crossbody in the summer with some of your maxi dresses? I actually purchased a few from Cato's Fashion a few weeks ago, and I can't wait to use this as a crossbody. And then if you're doing the day to night, you can remove these straps, at least this crossbody strap, and maybe you just want to wear this as a clutch. So very cute. The style number on this is 10011752300, and it's at Macy's. Like I said, when I purchased it during their sale a few weeks ago, I paid $31.27. It's regularly $69.50. Right now it's on sale for $41.70. And this one is in the color Mandarin. So cute. Can't wait to wear it. So let me move on to the next item quickly here. As you can see, also from Macy's. And what do you know? I was so enamored by the look of this bag as well as the price. I got her in sky blue and silver. So same bag, different color, same features. Will be perfect for summer, day or night. Also has these removable chains, so many options there. So again, this one's in silver and the chain is removable. The, I guess what they call it, chain swag is removable. And it also has the removable adjustable strap, also in the sky blue. Okay, and let me just open up this last item, also from Macy's, as you can see. Who wants to guess what this is? Oh no, another one. This one is in the botanical floral print. So very summery, same options. It's in the white with the multicolored flowers. So again, you see this as a cute bag to wear in the summer with a cute dress, pair of jeans, whatever you so choose. This one seems to be wrapped up a little better. Now this one comes with a chain swag that's in the pink and white, which matches very nicely to the bag. And let me just take this one off so that you can see this one as well. So this is like a plastic or resin, not really sure, but it has the pink and white, really cute with the gold hardware, the lobster claw, and this one has the white strap, also removable and adjustable. This one kind of gives me summer vibes, but it also, if I'm being honest, gives me cosmetic case vibes. So I guess that's always an option too if you want to stick this into one of your bags. So as you can see, I'm a sucker for a deal, as I've shared before, and I thought these were some really cute summer options with the mandarin, the sky blue, and then the botanic floral. The bags are really on trend with the bag swag, if you will, as well as the style of the bag being the cloud bag and clutch. So really cute. The next thing I will just share, when I first saw these bags, what it really made me think about was the Louis Vuitton Scala pouch, Scala mini pouch, and I'll share a picture of that pouch with you. But it really made me think of that bag when I saw it. So in my thought, it was more of, why pay upwards of $2,000 when you can get the same effect from a less costly bag? It also brought to mind the Botegga Veneta pouch, and that bag is $3,000, like $2,700, and it has that same look and that same vibe. So I we'll post a picture of that one as well. But again, a much cheaper option if you're, you know, just looking for something to wear for the summer. No sense in spending that kind of money if it's a trend or a fad, or just in general, if you're looking for the look but not want to pay the price. I thought these were good options. The last thing I wanted to do, because these chains are so popular and because they were removable, I thought it'd be a good idea to like try them on some of my bags. So I brought a few bags here with me. The first one is my Dooney Bourke zip bag, and this one is in Saffiano Black. So I just wanted to see what it might look like with some of these chains on it. They may be too big, and this is very impromptu, so if it doesn't work, we'll both see it not working together. So maybe it's a little long. I wish the Dooney Bourke handles, if they were maybe spread out a little more. As you can see, I need to stuff her. But the silver on the zip. Let me try the gold on the zip. I think I may have problems. I don't want to scratch the hardware on my bags. But let's try the gold. I won't put it all the way on. But there's an option as well for this bag. And then, I don't know if I would use this pink, but maybe if I'm being a little wild, perhaps. I also bought my, this is one of my old school Dooneys. I'm sure I've had her for at least 4 or 5 years. This is my sienna leather Brenna bucket bag, and I wanted to see what she looked like. Make old things new again, even though this bag is beautiful on its own. Wanted to see what it looked like with some modern day bag swag, if you will. So now I think that looks cute on this sienna leather Brenna bag. It might even look cute with the gold as well. Again, like I said, I'll have to be careful because I learned with my Dreamer that oh, that's cute. Taking these clips on and off your rings could be scratching them. Oh, now I like that. I think that really stands out. How cute. So this is the Brenna. I've never worn this bag and she's so pretty. Maybe this will be my incentive to bring her back out again, or just bring her out generally. All right, so that's the Brenna, and I think it looks really cute. Then I also bought my, I don't know how this one's gonna work because this is a smaller or shorter bag. This is my Coach Lane satchel that I purchased last year. How cute is she with the snakeskin detail? This is another one I haven't worn yet. So I'm not sure about the chains on here. I think my chain from my beat bag might look good on this one because it's in the gunmetal hardware. But let's just see how this looks. Oh, I think it's something about the gold. I don't know if it's the light that makes this. Oh no. I'm not sure about that. Maybe I'll look at the beat bag. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think the gold kind of matches with the overall color combo, but I'm not sure if this may be too much for this bag. It may cheapen it a bit. So I'll have to test it out with the gunmetal chain. Bet you that's going to be cute from my beat bag that I showed the other day. I definitely wouldn't want to go silver or pink. So one last bag I have. Not really sure how this is going to work or look. But this is my Dooney Bourke small satchel. And, oh, look like it's scratched there. It's the leather snake embossed, snake embossed Dooney Bourke small satchel that I've shared on my channel, and I will post a pic. And I wondered what this would look like. This actually has gold tone hardware. So let's see what this looks like. Again, I'm trying this out with you, so I don't know. I think that might be a little much because it's so much other stuff going on with this bag. But thought I'd give it a try just to see what it looks like. I will tell you though, the chains, I'm probably killing that ring there, but I would tell you that the chain on the chains, they're not very substantial. I don't want to say cheap, but maybe. But, you know, if it can give you a good look, you know, we'll have to see how that works. Let me see how it looks when I make this go from here to here on the strap. What do you think? Maybe too much going on here, but thought it would be fun to try. So that's the video for today. I really got excited when I saw these bags at such a good price at Macy's. As you can tell, ideas were running through my mind in terms of, oh my God, that looks like those really expensive bags that I've seen. And it's a $30 bet, why not? And I also thought if the chains are removable, how can I use them on my other bags? So, thank you for watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you very much. I appreciate your engagement in the comments. I appreciate your thoughts and ideas on the items that I share. If you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, I would encourage you to do so. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope you have a wonderful Father's Day with your family. Thank you for joining, and have a terrific day.